We're starting a new series all about burgers, and because this video landed on Cinco de Mayo, we had to do a Chile Relleno Burger. Come on, let's get started.
Todo queda sabroso.
The month of May is Burger Month, and over the next several weeks, we're going to introduce you to 4 very unique burgers, and we'll run this series right up until Memorial Day and welcome in the summer grilling season. In this bowl, I have 1 pound of ground beef and 1 pound of ground pork. To that, I'm going to add some of that Siete Chorizo seasoning. I really like this product, and I think it's going to be great in this burger. And then we're going to give that a quick mix. Spatula is fine, but sometimes you got to get in there and use your hands. If you have gloves, that's even better. If you don't, make sure you have clean hands, like I do. So stop it. Okay, now that I have everything mixed, I have a sheet tray here with a piece of parchment paper, and I have this ring mold. And that's what I'm going to use to kind of shape my patties. And so I'm going to grab about 8 ounces. You could do 6 to 8 ounces, but I want these kind of big, so I'm going to do more on the 8-ounce side. And lift that up, just like that. So besides the burger itself, one of the main components of this dish is the Chile Relleno, which starts off with the chili. Today I'm using a poblano chili. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to roast our poblanos. We're actually going to char it under a broiler so that the skin is really easy to remove. I'm gonna add some olive oil, just a little bit, and then we're gonna place this under the broiler until charred. Okay, so here we have our roasted poblanos. As you can see, they have a nice char. That skin is blistering. And all we're going to do is we're going to take those poblano peppers and we're going to place it in a Ziploc bag. And the reason that we do this is so that steam begins to work in helping make that skin nice and loose so that we could just tear it off. Okay, now we're going to prepare the batter. I separated the egg whites from the egg yolks, and with a beater, I'm going to whip those egg whites, incorporating air until they're nice and fluffy. Okay, and to the egg whites, I'm going to add those egg yolks. Also going to add a little bit of salt, and I'm just going to fold those egg yolks in, and this is going to be our batter for the poblanos. Okay, here we have the poblanos that have been steaming, and as you can see, the skin just peels right off very easily. That's why you don't want to skip that step. Okay, now we're going to cut a slit in the pepper, and we just want to remove the seeds. If you want it spicy, by all means you can leave the seeds in there, but I'm just going to remove them. Okay, and as you can see, I left the stem on because that's going to help me drag it through the batter. And now what we want to do is we want to stuff it with some cheese. I have here some Monterey Jack, and we're just going to add 2 pieces of the Monterey Jack cheese inside of the poblano pepper. And then you can, if you want, you can seal this in with a toothpick, but that batter is so thick that I don't think we need that. Okay, so we're going to take that stuffed poblano pepper, we're going to dust it with flour. That's going to allow that egg to adhere to the poblano chili. Make sure you shake off any excess flour. And then we're going to drag it through that egg mixture, making sure everything is coated, and then right into our oil. And then you can use excess if you have little spots to cover up. Then we want to give that a quick flip. just like that. So here we have our burger patty, and we're just going to place it on this griddle. Ah, that sound. Okay, now it's time to assemble our burger. I have a brioche bun that I simply toasted. On the bottom, I'm going to add this chipotle sauce that kind of resembles McDonald's mac sauce. It has chipotle in it. It has mayonnaise, a little bit of sour cream, some lime juice, some relish. Okay, then we're going to take that beautiful burger patty, that chorizo flavored burger. Then on top of that, we're going to add some pickled red onions, kind of cut through the fattiness. Then we're going to top that with the Chile Relleno. And then for the top of the bun, I did some smashed avocado. My mouth is literally watering. I'm going to top that off. Oh. Are you kidding me? And there you have it. The Chile Relleno Burger. Sabroso.
Todo queda sabroso.